Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open or you cannot download any games from a Google Play Store on Motorola Razr 40. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Right here, if we try to install basically anything, it's stuck in the pending and it won't begin the actual download. We can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. So open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and enter system, then go for the date and time, and here make sure that the set time automatically is enabled. We can go back to the Google Play Store and try to install the same game or app, and now it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.